Selling at higher levels is what we're witnessing in terms of where markets go. Clearly, we did regain those 18,800 levels, but markets have not been able to maintain that momentum. And the selling pressure actually took us back below the 18,750 mark on Nifty 50 on closing basis. In fact, Sensex fell over 200 points, and it was a volatile day of trade. Clearly, the PSU banks did see a good rally in today's session, whereas the real estate counters were a drag. A pretty mixed move in terms of where sectoral performance goes. Bank Nifty underperformed the benchmark indices in trade today, where we saw cuts of over 300 points coming in there. And if you see in terms of broader markets, you had the mid cap as well as the small cap index, which ended pretty much flat. The breadth was pretty much in favor of the bears in today's session. So clearly, if you go to see Nifty's journey in terms of to get to all-time high levels is something which is facing absolute resistance, and the participation with regards to Bank Nifty also becomes absolutely crucial. Let's quickly look at what's happening with stock-specific action. You have the likes of the HDFC Life, Bajaj Twins, Tech Mahindra as well as TCS, which were the top gainers on Nifty 50, whereas on the losing end, you had Adani Enterprises, Kotak Mahindra Bank, Hero Moto, Adani Ports, as well as a Power Grid. Talking about newsmakers, from the PSU index, you had Bank of Baroda, which actually crossed the 1 lakh crore mark in terms of market capitalization. And this is the second PSU bank after SBI to do so. Britannia hit a new lifetime high as well. In fact, good positivity with brokerages. Inox Wind Energy also hit record high levels in today's session. Jindal Steel, the high, on the back of a Kotak upgrade, was in focus. Shriram Finance jumped over 7% on the back of a block deal. Axis Technologies on the back of a new acquisition was up in trade. Nika on the back of positive commentary from the analyst meet saw some good moves. And you had a KC International which was up in trade on the back of accumulated rating by Nirmal Bang. So clearly a lot of newsmakers in trade today and stock specific action. But yes, there is strong resistance for the markets to inch towards life high levels.